Right, so I've got to get rid of those ones sticking up off this elm tree because she doesn't want to get them too high because of the view. So I've just got to work out which ones they are and cut them off. Oh yeah, there you go. It's that branch there that's warping up underneath. I see that one, so I'll cut that. Should get rid of all the sticking up ones with it. People have been trying to call while I'm filming. Same time. 2 people actually. I'll have to call them back. So I have to get this all filmed. Maybe too thick for these, but I'll try first. So a few things to think about when you're doing the tree lopping of the top branches like that is make sure you don't get a fall off your ladder firstly, but also most important, probably even more important than falling off your ladder, don't cut the wrong branch. Make sure that you're going to cut the right one because you can't stick them back on, unfortunately. There, that looks much leveler now. That's all I had to do. And now I just pick them up and head on to the next job. There's a view from the other side. All looks even. But while I'm here, I thought I'd just show the bluebells, what they look like after a month after I pluck the seeds. They just die off like that. And now's when the seed heads would start to fall back in the ground and start to spread themselves. So I got them a month ago, a video back there somewhere, probably about 4 weeks ago. But yeah, now that when they die off, I just pick them up. But I'll pick them up in 4 weeks, and they're growing well actually under the shady tree. So yeah, that's that, guys.